I think it's the first time we've got the 5 aircraft participating to the flight test campaign all together. And this, the day before the certification.
The idea is obviously to put all 5 prototype aircraft up together. It's very unusual really for us to do this.
Once the helicopter is in the air, then you can take 1 or 2 shots of all the aircraft on the ground.
So we stay like this, we turn, maybe climb to avoid the turbulence.
Yes.
Ideally, we make the formation flying program as simple as possible to make sure there are as few formation changes as we can, so that the pilots know exactly where they've got to be at any point in time. So we have to make a decision which we do. If you'd rather do the echelon first and then do the arrow afterwards, that's fine.
No problem. So we join up in that formation, we perform a 180 turn, we go over the sea.
On est quand même pas mal tilté.
So assuming we've done our diamond, echelon, back to diamond, into arrow. The problem is I don't know where you'll be in relation to me, and if I pull up, of course, I lose visual. It's a line there, and then lining up the tip, this winglet here. It's going to be a little bit more difficult to organise, but I think it'll look better.
Alvin from Corvette, just airborne, everything is workable from flight level 60 upwards. It's looking very nice towards the mountains. There's a few at 4,000 feet.
Takeoff 10:30. The weather's not good, unfortunately, so we did a individual stream takeoff off 14 right.
Coming.
Now the carbon formation to meet the leading landing to 7,000.
So that you can see the door, and the cowl sits just below it, with the leading edge of the door against the leading edge of the cowl, like this, because you will be displaced slightly below the lead aircraft.
Frank, what's the strategy for the join-up? You fly at 250 knots and then you stabilize at the flight level and we get 1,000 feet spacing?
If you take 1,000 feet till on the aircraft in front of you, until you're visual, and then join up.
In means go towards the leader, out means go away. Okay? And it's obvious, but just so we don't have a discussion in the air.
Most of the people here have background in air forces, so depending whether you're coming from the Navy, from the Air Force, you're French, you're British, you're German, each Navy, each Air Force has their particularities. So it's all about making sure everybody had a very, very clear understanding of what was expected from him, what he had to do, so that we do this as safe as possible.
As far as possible on the west now, and then larger down to the left. Take a block 1 and 150 to be okay for you. Carbon's accelerating slowly. Left carbon attention is still on 70 box.
Okay, that's copy. Go down to about 5 feet.
Stand by for break. 3, 2, 1. Top. 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 Stand by for break. 1, stop. 3, 2, 1, stop.